Are boiled eggs really a superfood or just a myth? Today, we are putting boiled eggs to the ultimate test. Are they really as healthy as everyone claims? Or is their reputation a little over-egg-sagerated? Pun intended. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of new videos as they are released. Boiled eggs are everywhere. In breakfast spreads, lunch boxes, gym bags, and snack trays. They're quick, affordable, and packed with protein. But like most foods, they're not without their controversies. Some people praise them as a superfood, while others worry about cholesterol and heart health. So what's the truth? Are boiled eggs a nutritious powerhouse? Or should we crack open the myths? Let's address the elephant in the room: cholesterol. Yes, boiled eggs do contain cholesterol, about 186 milligrams per large egg, all in the yolk. For years, people thought eating eggs could clog your arteries, but research tells a different story. For most healthy people, dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol levels. The real culprits? Trans fats and excessive saturated fats from processed and fried foods. For example, eating boiled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast and avocado is a healthy choice. But dunking them in hollandaise sauce? That's when things can get tricky. Boiled eggs aren't just a quick snack. They're like tiny capsules of goodness, packed with essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Let's break down their powerhouse contents. 1. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Did you know that vitamin D is crucial for maintaining strong bones and a robust immune system? This nutrient helps your body absorb calcium, which strengthens your skeleton and reduces the risk of fractures. Plus, it plays a vital role in immune defense, keeping illnesses at bay. Here's the kicker. Most people don't get enough vitamin D from sunlight or food. Just one large boiled egg provides 20% of your daily vitamin D needs, making it a great way to fill the gap, especially in winter months or for those who spend a lot of time indoors. 2. Vitamin B12, the energy booster. Feeling tired or mentally foggy? You might be low on vitamin B12. This essential nutrient supports nerve health, aids in red blood cell production, and helps convert food into energy. Without enough B12, you could experience fatigue or even neurological issues over time. The best part? Boiled eggs are an excellent source of B12. They're particularly valuable for people who don't eat a lot of meat, but still want to get this nutrient naturally. 3. Iron, the oxygen transporter. Iron is like your body's delivery service for oxygen. It's a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, you might feel sluggish or short of breath. Boiled eggs, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges or bell peppers, can help enhance iron absorption. It's a small but mighty contribution to your overall energy levels and vitality. 4. Antioxidants, eye protectors extraordinaire. Egg yolks are rich in two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are like sunglasses for your eyes, shielding them from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Research shows that lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts, two common causes of vision loss. By adding boiled eggs to your diet, you're investing in better eyesight as you age. 5. Bonus nutrients you didn't know about. Choline. Often overlooked, choline is a superstar for brain health. It supports memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. In fact, it's particularly important for pregnant women, as it aids in fetal brain development. Selenium. This trace mineral acts as an antioxidant and plays a role in thyroid health and DNA production. Fun fact: the vibrant yellow color of egg yolks comes from the lutein and zeaxanthin content. That sunny hue isn't just pretty, it's a visual cue that your boiled egg is packed with eye-friendly nutrients. So, the next time you peel a boiled egg, think of it as unwrapping a gift from nature. One filled with all the essentials your body craves for better energy, stronger bones, sharper eyes, and a healthier brain. When it comes to protein, boiled eggs are a true superstar. Each large boiled egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein, making it an essential food for people of all ages and activity levels. But what sets this protein apart? It's not just the quantity, it's the quality. Egg protein is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. These amino acids are crucial for muscle repair, hormone production, and overall cellular function. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, protein is key for muscle recovery and growth. After a workout, Your muscles need a quick source of amino acids to repair the tiny tears caused by exercise. Boiled eggs are the perfect post-workout snack. They're easy to digest and provide a concentrated dose of muscle-repairing protein. Here's a pro tip. Pair your boiled egg with a piece of fruit or whole grain toast for a balanced recovery snack that replenishes both protein and energy. To fully appreciate the protein punch of boiled eggs, let's compare them to common snacks. Granola bars. Most contain around 2 to 4 grams of protein and a lot more sugar and calories than an egg. Yogurt cups. While rich in protein, they often have added sugars and require refrigeration, which is less convenient than a boiled egg. Nuts and seeds. Great for healthy fats, but far less protein per calorie than eggs. Boiled eggs stand out as a low-calorie, high-protein option that's as nutritious as it is convenient. If you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy one, boiled eggs are your ally. Here's why. One large egg has just 70 calories. You can enjoy 2 eggs for under 150 calories, which is far lower than most snacks that leave you reaching for more food soon after. The combination of protein and healthy fats in eggs keeps you feeling full for longer. This helps reduce the likelihood of mindless snacking or overeating later in the day. For example, replacing a high-sugar cereal breakfast with 2 boiled eggs and some veggies can dramatically improve your morning energy levels and keep hunger at bay until lunchtime. Whether you're at work, on the go, or heading to the gym, boiled eggs are a snack that adapts to your lifestyle. Unlike yogurt or smoothies, they don't require refrigeration for several hours. They're self-contained, mess-free, and can be eaten just about anywhere. Want to take them up a notch? Sprinkle a pinch of seasoning or add them to a salad for variety. You can even prepare a batch of boiled eggs in advance for the entire week, so they're ready when you need them. While boiled eggs are fantastic, balance is key. Pairing them with fiber-rich foods like vegetables or whole grains enhances satiety and provides a more rounded nutrient profile. Think avocado toast with a boiled egg or a leafy salad with egg slices on top. Delicious, nutritious, and satisfying. So whether you're looking to fuel your workouts, manage your weight, or just keep your energy levels steady throughout the day, boiled eggs are a simple yet powerful choice. Boiled eggs aren't just a source of protein and essential vitamins. They also offer some lesser-known benefits that can significantly impact your brain and eye health. Let's take a closer look at these hidden perks. One of the most impressive nutrients in eggs is choline, an essential compound that supports brain health and cognitive function. Choline is a key player in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood, and muscle control. Here's why that matters. Many people don't get enough choline in their diets, yet it's crucial for maintaining focus and mental sharpness. For pregnant women, choline is especially important. It aids in the brain development of the growing baby and reduces the risk of neural tube defects. Fun fact, one large boiled egg contains about 147 milligrams of choline, which is roughly 27% of the daily recommended intake for women and 22% for men. Want a sharper memory and better mental clarity? Adding boiled eggs to your diet is an easy step in the right direction. Most people associate lutein with eye health. More on that in a moment. But did you know it's also great for your brain? Studies suggest that lutein plays a role in preserving cognitive function as you age. Lutein accumulates in the brain and helps protect neurons from oxidative damage. It's been linked to improved memory, attention, and processing speed, especially in older adults. So, whether you're studying for exams or looking to maintain mental sharpness in your golden years, the lutein in eggs is like a protective shield for your brain. Boiled eggs are a fantastic food for your eyes, thanks to the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are naturally concentrated in the egg yolk. These two compounds are critical for eye health and have been shown to reduce the risk of cataracts and protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Cataracts are a common condition that clouds the lens of your eye, leading to blurry vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the lens by filtering out harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress. AMD is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. The antioxidants in eggs help protect the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Here's why this is a big deal. Your body can't produce lutein and zeaxanthin on its own, so you have to get them from your diet. Eggs are one of the most bioavailable sources, meaning your body absorbs the nutrients more efficiently than from other foods like spinach or kale. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 1 egg per day significantly increased blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin without negatively affecting cholesterol levels. Research also suggests that higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the diet are associated with better visual performance and lower rates of eye disease over time. Boiled eggs may seem simple, but they're a nutritional powerhouse that offers surprising benefits for both brain and eye health. By including them in your meals, whether as a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a topping for your salad, you're taking proactive steps to support long-term health. Your brain and eyes work hard for you every day. Why not return the favor with a nutrient-dense food like boiled eggs? So, are boiled eggs as good for you as they claim? The answer is a resounding yes, with some moderation, of course. They're affordable, nutrient-packed, and versatile. Whether you're slicing them onto a salad, enjoying them with toast, or eating them solo, boiled eggs are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. What's your favorite way to enjoy boiled eggs? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. And if you have any questions about holistic nutrition, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more insights into healthy living. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.